Planet LoRa AIoT Network Solution
is a total resolution designed for smart environments and all AIoT applications. It incorporates LoRa and LoRaWAN technologies featuring long-range transmission capability with low power consumption. With strict network security protection, speedy and reliable transmission, and user-friendly network management platform, all collected data can be centrally managed and analyzed.
Planet LoRa AIoT Network Solution
Focuses on Smart LoRa Node Controller, LoRaWAN Gateway, and the LoRa Network Management System. The collected data from the original sensors can be converted by the LoRa Node Controller with LoRa signals and transmitted to the LoRaWAN Gateway. With advanced features, LoRa Wireless Network is bridged to an IP network for ultra performance. Apart from storing data in the cloud, the MMS LoRa is designed to monitor all kinds of deployed LoRa network devices and sensors through its intuitive dashboard. All in all, with Smart LoRa Node Controller for data conversion and collection, LoRaWAN Gateway for reliable data transmission, and NMS LoRa for central network management, IoT deployments become easy and cost-effective and provide work efficiency.
Experience Planet LoRa AIoT Network Solution
For the implementation of IoT networking such as smart cities, intelligent transportation, smart medical service, industrial automation, and more.
To find out more about Planet LoRa AIoT Network Solution, please visit our website at www.planet.com.tw.
Planet Technology is your trustworthy partner.